Welcome to Playtime Kids Time channel. It's me, Callie, and today we got toys, DIY toys and jewelries. This one is from Disney Princess Necklace Activity. We got Ariel, Cinderella, Mulan, Rapunzel, and Princess Jasmine. We're going to make our own necklace. And we got this DIY dinosaur color painting. We got two blind boxes. We're going to reveal, or we're going to see what kind of dinosaur we got. And we do have this silly scent. Let's see what kind of scent we got. If we got this berry, apple, banana, orange, grapes, and strawberry. Last but not least, we got this fashion beads. We got this DIY do-it-yourself jewelry design, and we can make our own necklace and bracelet. So stay tuned. This is Callie, and see you on my next. Bye.